Cornercast, we're still at the backstage of OMS. I got two beautiful ladies. Merry Christmas to you guys. Please introduce yourself.
Tracy, hi, this is Tracy.
Okay, thank you guys for giving us your time. Yeah, let's just do a quick one. Please give me a song of the year for you. 2025.
For me, it's Abantwana Bakho, I don't know. Yeah. Abantwana Bakho or 3.0, in there, Tobeta, 3.0, yeah.
And yours?
Isakala mavuso. Isaka is amazing. And obviously Mnanale Munchandasi Wakoko. Phone.
Why do you guys think it's important to attend our event or so?
For, I don't know, for our images. I won't say PR, but yeah.
Look supportan about it.
Yeah, also support, yeah.
And for you, Chad?
I mean, meeting people, you never know who to talk to and so these kind of things, they help so much. Some people take it for granted, but Tina say,
Thank you for your limited time. Can you please give a shout out to people to subscribe to Cornercast, please?
Shout out to Cornercast, please subscribe. Yeah, away. Like and share and subscribe. Yes, Cornercast.
Thank you. That's all. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Really. Thank you.